India has always produced fascinating talent since cricket is such a popular game aimed at a huge population. Across the country, thousands of young boys play cricket and several stories emerge. While the success stories are fabled in media and repeatedly fed to the masses via glorified videos, the stories of those that saw less of the spotlight are forever lost. If the success stories are instances of opportunities, luck, hard work, and perseverance, the failure stories are accounts of misdirection and neglect, often contributing to an inevitable and tragic loss of talent. We would look at awesome Indian talents that never fulfilled their potential. Irfan Pathan. Irfan Pathan was such an abundance of talent as soon as he made a debut in Australia. He looked like he belonged to the top level. He bowled with such guts and skill that it was certain that India has unearthed a champion. He travelled to Pakistan in 2004 under Sourav Ganguly, and after getting chance in the third ODI, he castled Shahid Afridi's stump with a beautiful banana swinging delivery. He never looked back. He performed brilliantly and helped India win both ODIs and Test series in Pakistan. He also impressed with his batting skills and showed he was a proper batsman with a sound technique. Everyone started comparing with the only true Indian all-rounder Kapil Dev. He went on to become India's premier fast bowler for a few years and handy lower order batsman. However, Greg Chappell's obsession with turning him into an all-rounder and over-coaching by several former bowlers to increase his pace resulted in his improvement of batting, but the degradation of his bowling capabilities. After returning from injury, he almost lost all his swing and pace with speeds even below 120 km/h in the 2007 World Cup. He was dropped and recalled to T20 World Cup later in 2007 with a remodeled action. He got his pace back but lost all his banana swing. Although he contributed handsomely in the T20 World Cup win and was man of the match in the finals against Pakistan, he never reached the dazzling heights he was destined to reach and would remain the pinnacle of the unfulfilled talents of the Indian cricket. Sreesanth. When Sreesanth burst onto the international scene, the whole world sat up and took notice of the supremely talented fast bowler whose release at the time of delivery was the stuff of the dreams. The absolutely still seam presentation is still regarded as the best seam presentation, and cricket pundits across the world were certain that he would go on to become a world-class performer with little guidance and responsible coaching. He was fast, was able to swing the ball both ways and can seam the ball as well. After early promise and limited opportunities, he blew away South Africa for the first ever Test win by India in South Africa. The way he decimated legends of South Africa like Amla, Kallis, De Villiers, Graeme Smith was breathtaking. He was destined to become Dale Steyn of India, and along with Zaheer Khan, they could have formed a dangerous duo which could have paved the way for more overseas victories. But he lost the way very quickly. Initially, it was his fitness and frequent injuries that kept him away from the pitch for a considerable time. His on-pitch performance heavily depended on his temperament and his mood. Some days he would bowl at the speed of 130 all day with no venom, and some days he would bowl at 145 km with impeccable line and length, with ferocious swing, and single-handedly decimates the opposition. The way he took a 5-wicket haul on an absolutely dead Kanpur pitch versus Sri Lanka prompted Dhoni to declare that Sreesanth is one of the best reverse swing bowlers in the country. Even with the flashes of brilliance, there were many subpar performances, and combined with many injuries, he was in and out of the team. However, the breaking point came when there were reports of his spot fixing while playing for Rajasthan Royals and got a live ban from BCCI and ended a promising career to an abrupt end. He gave us many memories which can never be forgotten, like his inspired spell versus Australia in 2007 T20 World Cup, and his absolute decimation of South Africa in South Africa. And no one will ever forget the catch of Misbah-ul-Haq to win the T20 World Cup in 2007. Mohammad Kaif. India won their first ever Under-19 World Cup in 2000. There were two obviously outstanding talents who were above everyone else in the team. They were Mohammad Kaif and Yuvraj Singh. Mohammad Kaif was the captain of the victorious team and was regarded as the future captain due to his icy cool persona under intense pressure. He made the Test and ODI debut soon to the senior team and started performing reasonably well. Sourav Ganguly supported young players in the team and gave freedom to express themselves. Since Sourav was not able to find a decent wicketkeeper batsman, he requested Dravid to keep wickets to accommodate Yuvraj and Kaif in the team. Then came the watershed moment in Indian cricket in 2002 NatWest Trophy final. India was down and out at 146 for 5 and Mohammad Kaif lived the dream of every youngster. He was able to win the final and championship for India in England with the help of Yuvraj and Harbhajan. And it was certain that new kid has matured to a match-winning world-class batsman. He also helped India to a series win in Pakistan versus Pakistan when he steered a tricky chase when India were 5 wickets down, chasing a good total with India trailing by 2-1 in the series. Had Kaif got out cheaply in that innings, India would have lost the series. But he and Dravid chased the target against rampaging Shoaib Akhtar. India also won the final match in series and created a history of winning in Pakistan for the first time ever. However, he lost his batting touch soon after. Indian team gave enough chances to him and after few memorable innings in between, he'd lost his pace owing to bad form and could never fulfill his initial promise. That's the video, guys. Comment below which other Indian cricketer talent went unfulfilled. Like, share and subscribe the video if you like and tune in to more such videos.